Welcome. In this video, we will be demonstrating how our XFi endpoint behaves against threats such as a physical attack. First, I will showcase the protection features on our XFi PC application. This is the configuration page. I have already pre-configured the security features, including physical, email alert, wipe data, and ambient detection. Next, let me show you the current data on the SSD before the attack, using a program called Active Disk Editor. I will select the XFi SSD drive. Here you can see some data within the partition, which is displayed in the form of hex values. This is how the data looks before being wiped. Now imagine you left this notebook unattended somewhere in the office and someone, perhaps an insider, attempted to steal the laptop and remove the SSD. At this stage, the ambient sensor embedded on the XFi SSD has detected the sudden change in ambient lighting. This has already triggered an email alert sent to the registered IT administrator. The thief will remove the drive and insert it back into their own bootable device to gain access to the data stored inside. XFi is now locked due to the motion sensor tamper and movement detection. The thief is not able to gain access into the drive. As the hacker in this scenario, I will be inserting the drive into a new laptop. The wipe data feature will trigger as soon as I attempt to boot up the device. We will now proceed to boot up the device. As you can see, the BIOS boot screen now appears indicating that our XFi SSD is now locked. At this point, all the data, including the OS, has already been wiped from the drive. This is a result of having the wipe data feature enabled. Now let's revert back to the unlocking portion of this demonstration in order to prove that the drive has been fully wiped down to the binary level. To unlock the XFi SSD and verify the wipe, I will first connect it to an external USB M2 adapter. Using the adapter, I will use it to reconnect with another working system to demonstrate. There will be two drives shown within the dashboard. Drive 0 is the system primary drive, while Drive 1 is the external drive that is being locked. To unlock, a registered password followed by an OTP is required as part of two-factor authentication. Now we can unlock our secondary drive from the Configurations tab, using our pre-configured password and OTP. Once the unlocking confirmation message is shown, the drive can now be accessed. To verify that all data has been wiped from the drive due to the physical tampering, Active Disk Editor will be used again to see the results. As you can see, the hex values are now all represented as 0. This confirms that all data has been completely purged at a binary level and is no longer recoverable. If you are looking for more videos like this, feel free to visit our YouTube channel or head over to our website, which will be in the description below. Thank you for watching, and stay secure.